Hey, everybody, is your house telling you it's time to downsize? Do the stairs feel taller than they used to? Hey, it's Robert Greenblatt. Welcome back to the channel. Stay with us. We have a few great tips for you today, helping you try to figure out, is it time to downsize? In the world of real estate, a senior is considered anybody over 50. Anyone over 50, right? If you're over 50 watching this video, your concerns are going to be different than a 27-year-old looking to buy their first condo or sell their first house, right? So it's going to be very different. You may have raised a family there. So here's 5, maybe 6, maybe 4 tips to think about. Are the steps getting big? What's the story here? Like, you have a flight of steps in your house, and is it getting difficult to utilize the steps? Maybe your laundry is down in the basement and your bedroom is on the second floor. And look, as we age, that's real, right? Sometimes the steps can be more difficult for us as we age. Sometimes as we age, we experience some health issues. So that's one consideration. Are you looking around your house and realize, I have a few extra rooms? Maybe you raised a family there. Maybe you have a 4 or 5 bedroom house and you're using 2 of the rooms. Or maybe you're kind of like using all the rooms, but you know it's full of junk, right? It's full of old kindergarten projects. It's full of all kinds of old clothes and things that you don't need anymore. Spend a week with me. I see a lot of stuff. I know what's going on in your house. What about the maintenance? Do you mow your own grass? Are you tired of it? Do you pay a landscaper to do it? And are you tired of paying that bill too? Because it's just too much to deal with. What happens when it snows? Are you physically able to clear your driveway? That's another thing I hear about a lot. I'm tired of taking care of this house. I have a client right now. They said, we're going to need a roof in the next few years. We just did this, we just did that. And it seems like the capital expenditures are really big, and they're just kind of like over it. Are you over it? What about the cost just to upkeep the house? Not even the capital expenses, right? How about the taxes? The taxes keep going up. How about I'm heating a house and cooling a house, and I'm maybe only using half of it? How about that? These are all valid things that I hear about day after day. The house did its job. That's often what I say. If you've lived in your house 10, 15, 20, sometimes 30 plus years, you raised a family there, you put the children through school, there's been a lot of life events and life experiences and life memories in the house. And now it's time to move on. What about the safety of that house? We talked about steps a few minutes ago, right? Is the house a safe place for you to live? As a seniors real estate specialist, I could help. Thank you for watching. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, you might like this one right up here. Don't forget to subscribe.